Hi guys, today I'm going to be doing a video on my slime collection and do you mind about my voice? And I only have 3 slimes, so I'm just going to go get them. So those are my 3 slimes. So I'm just going to show you this one first. And it's really ugly because I wanted to color it last time and then I put highlight. And it's really hard. And not stretchy. Stretch. But it's just my first line that I made. So the second slime I have is this really cool slime that I made out of body wash. If you watch that video, it's just super fun to play with, and it smells like grapes because I used my grape body wash and now it smells really, oh my god, really good. So whoa. And sorry about like bad lighting and my really bad nails, but so yeah. Moving on to the third one, and for the body wash one and this one, I do have a tutorial on it. So this is my DIY marshmallow slime that I taught you how to make like yesterday, I bet. So it's like really fun to stretch. So this is my best one yet. And for this one, the body wash one, I do have a tutorial once again. So this slime is really cool and stretchy and everything. And I wanted to add color, but I forgot to add it in the glue, the paint. So anyways, yeah. So it's just really fun and you can poke it as much as you like. And I will be doing a video on my top 3 slimes soon. But this is just my slime collection, and obviously it'll be these 3 slimes again. But I'll put them in order. If you want to see that, just leave in the comments. But anyway, if you say you don't want it, then I'll not do it. But if there's no comments, I'll just do it anyway. So yeah, that's my marshmallow slime. And I'm just going to show you some like farting noise you can make at this slime. But you have to use the golden egg to do it. If you can hear that. Just going to turn it around and push it down. So that was one. So that's really cool slime. And leave in the comments what type of slime I should do next. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Bye. Oh yes, and please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for, oh my gosh, I'm really sorry about that. But anyway, thank you guys for watching. Bye.